Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to fix your slow and lagging problem, and let's make a solution in your Honor smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings app and you have to see which app is lagging the most. I am clicking on the applications, then click on manage apps. Select the application that is more crashing sometimes, or there is another problem. So you have to go to the storage and click on clear cache and clear data. Then again press back, click on three dots, and here it is reset app preference. You have to do it. You will not lose any app data. So you have to just click on reset, and you have to turn off background data so it will not run in the background, so it will not take your battery or not lag. So then you have to click on this search, and here you have to write apps, and you have to delete the unuseful things like applications, documents, photos, videos, so it will clear your storage. Click on manage apps, then you have to click on search, and here you have to write Google. Here it is Google Play Services. Then the second step is storage. Click on clear cache, then click on clear data. It will definitely solve your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.